Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. This is Sunday, the 20th of November. And I'm in the car yet again, headed out to the market. Got to pick up a few things. I have some clients that made some last minute orders, so I have to go and pick up some additional ingredients. So guys, it's time to go ahead and take those turkeys out. Take those turkeys out, get them from the freezer to the refrigerator. You do want to thaw your turkeys in the refrigerator. I'm going to flip you guys around so y'all can ride with me this morning. So I have made it to Sam's Club. Right now it's 12:30 and it is saturated. But I gotta get out there and get it done. Do it for my clients. I do it for my clients. I love y'all out there. They keep coming back. Guys, it is cold out here today, so I got me a box. We had to get some more butter. Got to get those cakes together. Got some good old bacon for those casseroles. We have brown sugar. Heavy cream. Half and half. And a case of water. Okay guys, I am back in the car. I had to pause for a moment. It is super crowded in Sam's. It is 1:21. And I still have 2 more stores to go to, and I'm going to try to do that and get back home. I love to shop, but I just don't like a crowd. Big crowds, I should say. Small crowds I can deal with, but those huge crowds. But thank God for express checkout at Sam's. Do yourself a favor. Download that app and attach you a card there. Scan and go. Best thing ever. No lines, no wait. Okay guys, I am out of Walmart. It was an absolute zoo. As to be expected. You're going to get more bang for your buck at the Walmart store. But I have yet to find vanilla wafers and saltine crackers. Which means I have to go to another market. I'm going to work on getting me a personal shopper. I know the stores do all this shopping and bring your food out for you, But I'm very particular. And I'm a date reader. So I'm going to make sure that date is good. I'm not sure everybody have your same interests, you know, in mind when they're shopping for you. So you got to get somebody that's like-minded like you, that you trust gonna get the goods as you would. So I'm just sitting here gathering my thoughts here before I move on to the next spot, because you know you got to calm yourself down, because it's so crazy and busy out here. Everybody's in a hurry, everybody's searching for the same items, and you know, you just got to stay calm, because you're going to get that item, but you have to reset so you can go back out there, get back in those trenches. So I think I'm going to stop and get me a quick little sandwich, but I got to hurry up because my daughter is coming in today and her flight lands at 3:40, and right now it is 2:30. So I got time to kind of like go to one more store, get what I need to get, go home, put my items away, and then get back to the airport to pick her up on time. All right, time waits on no one. Let's get moving. Let's go. Okay guys, it was a success in Publix for the vanilla wafer cookies. But let me tell you, for those cookies, I had to get on my hands and knees. They were the last two boxes all the way to the back. And I tried to use another box to get them out. I had to get on my hands and knees to get them cookies. So Miss Banana Pudding Ordering Lady. Alright guys. It was a success. We got the cookies, and that's all that matters. And we getting ready to do some cooking. And I'm gonna bring you along for some of my cooking. See you soon. I made it to the airport. I'm here to pick up my daughter. And I think I see her coming now. There she is?
For YouTube in her natural habitat.
I don't see you. There she is.
Hi.
What it do?
Ooh, it's cold, baby. Hey, mama, what's up, baby?
What? Good job.
That was beautiful.
Me and my baby, we're together, and we are on our shopping trip in Costco.
We got some goodies to get. I'm so excited. I'm back. Get ready for some foolishness.
You crazy.
These parties.